Hi, welcome everyone, Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make handmade chocolate cookies. You can make it at home by your hand. So no need any machine. You can do it by your hand. So let's see the ingredients. Cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, sugar. All I will mix. Now I'm going to add baking powder and salt. Don't worry, all the ingredients I will write in my description and method so you can see it. If you like my videos, if you learn something, so please don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to add sunflower oil, 1 egg, very less ingredients and low cost. You can make in your home. You can try with your tea time with your kids. At last I will add vanilla essence, so you will feel it's hard, little bit hard, so don't worry, you can make by your hand. So the final mixing, it will be a little bit hard, so you can see how it looks. Now your cookies mixture is ready. I will keep in 5-minute chiller. When it's get ready, you can easy to make cookies ball in your hand. So you can see my cookies mixture is ready. So I'm going to make mini cookies. So you can see it's very small for your tea, snacks. After make ball, you put in the icing sugar. Fall with icing sugar. See how it looks. So you can bake straight away. Let's go for baking. (170°), fan number 2, 6 minutes. Exactly 6 minutes, your cookies will be ready. So we will see after 6 minutes. Now our cookies is ready. Let's see. Wow. Nice aroma. Wow.
Hello, Chef Sampath, how are you? So what did you cook today, Chef?
This is handmade cookies.
Wow, this looks like a crunchy and amazing. Can I start?
Yes.
See, crunchy, juicy, floppy. See the floppy. It's similar to, I'm eating like a almond. This is the almond flavor, but chocolate. The crunchiness it has like a almond. Subscribe, Tasanga.